Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Boolean variables in UiPath, a comprehensive guide. Boolean variables are fundamental in programming, representing truth values, true or false. They are used extensively in UiPath for decision-making, controlling workflows, and validating data. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide to understanding and effectively using Boolean variables in UiPath, complete with detailed explanations and practical code examples. 1. What is a Boolean variable? A Boolean variable is a data type that can hold only one of two possible values. True represents a logical yes, on, or exists state. False represents a logical no, off, or doesn't exist state. Think of it like a light switch, it can be either on, true, or off, false. 2. Why use Boolean variables in UiPath? Boolean variables are essential for decision-making, conditional logic controlling which part of a workflow executes based on a condition, example if file exists, then process it, otherwise, log an error. This is achieved using activities like if, flow decision, and switch. Loop control determining when to start, continue, or exit a loop, example repeat until a certain condition is met. Activities like while and do while rely on Boolean expressions. Data validation checking if data meets specific criteria, example is the email address valid. Flagging events indicating whether a particular event has occurred, example download successful. Returning results functions or workflows can return a Boolean value to indicate success or failure. 3. Declaring and initializing Boolean variables in UiPath. There are several ways to declare a Boolean variable in UiPath. Using the variables panel. 1. In the UiPath Studio Designer panel, click the Variables tab at the bottom. 2. Click the Create Variable row. 3. Enter a name for your variable, example file exists. Choose a descriptive name. 4. Select Boolean from the variable type drop-down. 5. In the Scope column, choose the scope where the variable will be accessible. The scope is the level of the workflow in which the variable is defined, such as the entire main sequence or just a particular sequence. A wider scope makes the variable accessible from more parts of the workflow. 6. Optional. In the default column, you can assign an initial value, either true or false. If you don't provide a default, it defaults to false. Using the Properties panel. 1. Select an activity that uses a Boolean value, example path exists. 2. In the Properties panel, for an output property that supports Boolean, example the exists property of path exists, type in Ctrl+K and then enter a new variable name. This creates a Boolean variable assigned to that output property automatically. Inline assignment. You can create a Boolean variable on the fly within activities such as assign. For example, you could have an assign activity like this. File exists equals system.io.file.exists, c:\my_file.text. This will create the file exists Boolean variable, if it doesn't already exist, and set its value according to whether the file exists. 4. Assigning values to Boolean variables. Boolean variables can be assigned values directly or through Boolean expressions. Direct assignment. Using the assign activity. Assign, file exists equals true. Assign, is valid equals false. Boolean expressions. Boolean expressions use comparison operators, logical operators, and methods that return Boolean values. Asterisk comparison operators asterisk. Asterisk equals, equal to, example age equals 25, note, in UiPath, equals is not typically used, equals is used for equality comparisons. Asterisk or, equals, not equal to, example name John. Asterisk, greater than, example score 90. Asterisk, less than, example temperature 0. Asterisk equals, greater than or equal to, example quantity equals 10. Asterisk equals, less than or equal to, example price equals 100. Asterisk logical operators asterisk. Asterisk and, both operands must be true for the result to be true. Example age 18 and has license equals true. Asterisk or, at least one operand must be true for the result to be true. Example is weekend equals true or is holiday equals true. Asterisk not, inverts the value of the operand. Not true is false, and not false is true. Example not is file locked equals true. Asterisk x or, exclusive or. Result is true if one and only one operand is true. True x or true is false, true x or false is true. Not commonly used, but occasionally useful. Asterisk methods that return Boolean values asterisk many methods in .NET libraries return Boolean values. Asterisk string. Is null or empty, string, returns true if a string is nothing or an empty string. Asterisk string. Is null or white space, string, returns true if a string is nothing, empty, or contains only with space characters. Asterisk system.io.file.exists, string, returns true if a file exists at the specified path. Asterisk system.io.directory.exists, string, returns true if a directory exists at the specified path. Asterisk enumerable.any, enumerable, returns true if any element in a collection satisfies a condition. Asterisk regular expression regex. Is match, string, returns true if a string matches a regular expression pattern. Asterisk try-parse methods, example int32. Try-parse, datetime.try-parse return true if the parsing was successful and sets the converted value in an out parameter. 5. Using Boolean variables in activities. Boolean variables are primarily used within activities that control the flow of the workflow. Asterisk if activity asterisk executes one branch, then, if the condition is true and another branch, else, if the condition is false. Asterisk flow decision activity asterisk similar to if, but used within a flowchart workflow to create branching paths. Asterisk drag and drop a flow decision activity into your flowchart. Asterisk connect your previous activity to the flow decision activity. Asterisk in the properties panel of the flow decision, write your condition, example file exists. Asterisk drag and drop two new activities. Label one true and the other false. Asterisk connect the true output of the flow decision to the true activity, and the false output of the flow decision to the false activity. Asterisk while activity asterisk repeatedly executes a set of activities as long as the condition is true. Asterisk do while activity asterisk similar to while, but executes the activities at least once before checking the condition. Asterisk switch activity asterisk evaluates an expression and executes a case based on the value. Although typically used with strings or integers, you can use a Boolean expression in the expression property, and define cases for true and false. However, the if activity is generally more readable for Boolean conditions. 6. Code examples. Here are some practical examples of using Boolean variables in UiPath. Example 1, check if a file exists and process it. Example 2, validate email address format. Example 3, loop until a certain condition is met. Example 4, using try-parse to validate input. 7. Best practices for using Boolean variables. Asterisk use descriptive variable names. Asterisk choose names that clearly indicate what the Boolean variable represents. Example: is file downloaded, is data valid, is transaction successful. Asterisk initialize Boolean variables. Asterisk explicitly initialize Boolean variables when they are declared. This prevents unexpected behavior if the variable is used before being assigned a value. The default value is false, but explicitly assigning it makes your code more readable and robust. Asterisk simplify Boolean expressions. Asterisk avoid unnecessary complexity in Boolean expressions. For example, instead of not, file exists equals false, use file exists. Asterisk use Boolean methods directly. Asterisk whenever possible, use methods that return Boolean values directly in if conditions or assignments. Example: if string.is null or empty, email, then. This improves readability and reduces the need for intermediate Boolean variables. Asterisk avoid nested ifs. When possible, deeply nested if statements can make code difficult to read and maintain. Consider using techniques like else if or refactoring the logic to use multiple simpler if statements. Asterisk error handling. Asterisk when dealing with external systems or data, incorporate error handling to gracefully manage unexpected situations and set Boolean variables accordingly. For example, use try-catch blocks to catch exceptions and set a is successful variable to false if an error occurs. Asterisk comments. Asterisk add comments to explain the purpose and usage of Boolean variables, especially in complex workflows. Asterisk naming conventions. Asterisk use a consistent naming convention for Boolean variables, example prefix with is, has, or can. This enhances code readability. 8. Debugging Boolean variables. Asterisk breakpoints. Asterisk use breakpoints in UiPath Studio to pause execution at specific points in your workflow. Asterisk watch panel. Asterisk add Boolean variables to the watch panel to monitor their values as the workflow executes. Asterisk log messages. Asterisk add log message activities to output the values of Boolean variables at strategic points in your workflow. Use the trace level for detailed debugging output. Asterisk immediate panel. Asterisk use the immediate panel to evaluate Boolean expressions and check the values of Boolean variables in real time. Type variable name and press enter to display the value. You can also use more complex expressions, such as system.io.file.exists, file path, or is numeric and numeric value 0. By understanding the concepts outlined in this tutorial and practicing with the provided code examples, you'll be well equipped to effectively leverage Boolean variables in your UiPath workflows to create robust and intelligent automation solutions. Remember to prioritize clarity, maintainability, and proper error handling in your code. Good luck.